Hi guys, I'm Prakash here. So in this video, I will explain mini Java project that have been created by myself by using NetBeans. So the title for this project is e-movie ticket booking Cinemax. So let's start my explanation of the entire project. So let's move to flowchart of this project. Okay, so this is the login page flowchart. Here you guys can see I'm input the username and password as a variable. So as usual for login, the user need to put username and password. If the unauthorized access, like accessing username with the wrong username, so it will be output wrong username, it will be show up wrong username. If the username right and the user put password as a wrong, so it will show up wrong username or password. Okay, so this sure the authorized person only can access. So I'm as a default I put admin username as an admin and test for the password. Okay, so if the authorized access for admin as a username, so if the user put admin, it will go to, it will show up the password. So if the user put right password, so it will show up login successfully, so he can move to next task. Okay, so let's see the pseudocode. So this is the pseudocode for the login page. Okay, right. So here I'm using actually using if. Okay, if else. So if else statement, if the if else statement. Okay, so if the username is true, so it will show up password. If false means it will show up wrong username. So if statement, if else statement. Okay, so let's move to next page, our register page. So here you guys can see in this interface, as usual, here is the variable. So I'm asked to put insert IC name, okay, insert first name, insert last name, insert nickname, insert addresses, okay, insert age. So this age for the movie restriction, okay. So output, all right. So let's see the pseudocode for this registration page. So let's move to movie list selection. Okay, this one after the user input every information, okay, the user can select whatever movie he or she want to watch. Okay, here I'm already put 8 latest movie posters. Okay, so for example here the Black Panther, Dead Cure, like that. Okay, got 7 posters. Okay, so here I'm using if else statement also. So if the user want to select Black Panther, so it will select Black Panther movie, so and it will go to next task. Okay, so that's only. So let's see the pseudocode for this movie list page. So same goes to all the things. Okay, so let's move to seat reservation. Okay, here you guys can see I'm segregate every row in the seat reservation. So here I'm also using if else statement. So it's 15, right? So it will be times with the number of seat selected. So it will be show the prices for the number seat is selected. Okay, same goes to all of these. Okay, if else statement. So let's see the pseudocode for this seat reservation. So this one seat reservation pseudocode. Okay, so yeah, so let's start with the login page interface. Here this is interface. So let's elaborate the source code. All right, so here you guys can see all the source code that I'm created for this interface. So let's start with the design. Here go to login page. This is a title, and if the user click X means it will be closed, and if it takes dash means it will be minimized. Okay, so here, okay, here I'm using if else statement. So if the user doesn't put any information or any username or password, we show up fields are empty. Okay, as if the user put admin or password. Okay, password as admin at 123 as the default. I'm already set up. So they put admin and admin at 123, so we can log in. Okay, all right. So it will be login successful, and then it will be called main page. This main movie is calling another interface. Okay, this is the interface for the main page. So if the user put correct password and correct username, so he can access the next task such as this. Okay, if the user put wrong password or wrong username, so it will show up invalid username or password. Okay, so here is full secure and only authorized can access the login page, so can be access this Cinemax project. So this project actually for the workers employee in the Cinemax at the counter, they will use this application for register their customers. This is the main purpose for the application. Let's see the next page. Okay, the main page. So here, welcome to Cinemax e-movie ticket booking. Here, go to button buy ticket now. Just click. Okay, you can see this is the statement we are using. We are calling the register page. Here, this is the register page. The employee need to put their customers details. After fill up all the details, the employee just need to click fill up. Okay, if the user click fill up, okay, all the information will be stored in database. Okay, okay, all the information will be shown here after the employee click display data. Next, if the user don't want to see this database, you just need to clear, and all the information will be clear from this particular place. Okay, so I'm sure another function movie selection, right? For this movie selection, I'm using the movie list interface. Okay, let's be explain about this interface. I'm just run this particular interface. So here you guys can see all the movies. Okay, movie selection. Alright, I'm just explain how about the icon. Alright, here you guys can see poster 0. If I click this, it will be negative -1 -1. Okay, previous for this one is next, so it will be plus. If the previous is be negative, minus. If the next means it will be plus. Let's be go to seat reservation. So the user can select, the customer can select the seat they want. Here I'm segregate with front silver with 15 ringgit, center gold with 20 ringgit, and back platinum with 25 ringgit. Okay, so let me see the source code for every single. Here I'm using if else statement. Okay, let's move to another last interface, the print interface. Here you guys can see the Cinemax. Okay, display and print, right? So for the display, all the information in the print text will be show up all the prices, see that they are selected, and time and date. So if the user want to click print, so we can print. So here I'm using the for the print. Okay, so here also I'm using if statement. Okay, testing. Okay, so if the user click home, you go to login. Okay, let's we run all the interfaces from the main start to end. Okay, let's restart. Okay, so here I put admin as a username, and I put wrong password means we show invalid username or password. Okay, so user need to put valid password. Okay, so I'm put valid password admin at 123. So I'm login, so it will login successfully. Next interface will pop up. So buy ticket now. So this is a registration page. The employee need to enter the customer's information. So here, for example, I put my IC numbers. So for sample. Okay. So after the admin put all the information of customers. You just need to click fill up, so it will show up successfully registered. And if the admin click this is display data, all the data have been entered in the database will be pop up here. Okay, so it will be click clear, it will be clear, and display data will show display data. Okay, so you just need to click movie selection. So I'm go to movie selection. So here I'm just need to click what movie I want to watch. So I click this, if we go to last poster, if I click this, it will go to first poster. Okay, so here I just want to watch Black Panther movie, and for the time I can choose the static time, the default time. So I'm just want to watch movie in night 8 p.m. So here you can choose the date. So here you guys can see the highlighted in the red color. So this one the today's date 25th June. Okay, so already shows the 25th, but I want to make a ticket for Saturday 26th June. Okay, so I just need to click add button, so I success. So here I need to click see this reservation. So this is the reservation page. Here I want to select back seat with the center. So P6 is quite nice. So here if the user click home is go to home page. So now I don't want to go to home page, I just want to add. So success. Okay, and I can print. So I just need one P6. So you guys can see the multi choices. Okay, I don't want any. I just want to add one seat. So I just add right or add and print. Okay, here you guys can see display print. Okay, if I click display, it will show the Black Panther movie time 8 p.m. the date. Okay, and the seat, what seat, and the 25th. Sorry, 25 ringgit. Okay, so I just need to click print. Okay, so here you guys can see the print, and just put need to okay. So after I click, I just need to search Prakash 11. Okay, open the file. So here you guys can see the ticket information. Okay, that's it. So if you click home, you go to home. Okay, it's your home page. Okay, and the user need to close, then close. That's all. So thank you.